in our project.
You know what I did?
Basically, to understand ANSPARM, first of all, we should understand what we're dealing with here.
Mess around with that
So,
director.
ANSPARM is basically utilizing an opportunity which no one till now has utilized in my knowledge. So, what is that? There are 3 billion, more than 3 billion devices, mobiles are there. So, nobody is utilizing their power. Powers in terms of data they are generating from the sensors, the computational powers they possess, and other things. So, our project acts as an ant farm where your mobiles are ants which will work collectively to provide data and provide computational powers to other people. So it's more like a mobile grid, but yeah, more in sense of collecting data than generating computational power. Okay. So to understand this further, so what we'll be doing is that we are providing a generic platform on which you, as in society, as an organization who wants to conduct certain, let's say, experiment. Let's say a medical organization is there. They want to conduct an analysis. Let's say how many people go out every day for a walk of, let's say, 10,000 steps or something. So that kind of data, what you have to do is just write a script or ask us to write a script for you. We'll push it to all our users, and that will generate the data on the mobile, push it back to us, and we'll provide you the data. So who gets, coming to the marketing point of it, so who gets benefit from it? So the person, the organization who is conducting the experiment, of course, they get the data, and they get their research done. The person who is allowing their data to be collected from his mobile, the user, will get some benefits depending on the organization if they are going to give out some money to them. And we, as a service provider for this app, will of course be expecting some money from them. So yeah, so that's pretty much about this application. So Manoj will be giving a demo about it.
Plain user format where they list out the projects which are available for you. Let's say they select a particular project.
So server will be publishing all the projects which are currently available. So those will be available here for the user. He can select one of the projects and then say, okay, let's go for this project. I want this project to execute on my system and it will get executed in the background. And the server will be correspondingly receiving the data, whatever is being done.
Which are getting run by this particular mobile. So that way, what is happening is this particular just computed 7 tasks which are remaining in this particular experiment. So they get
Without music, display it. I don't have AngelHack and stuff on it, so just the photos.
So my understanding is that it's like market research essentially you're going to provide firms who want data.
So it's not only data, so as I told you, it's combination of it. You can do anything. Basically, so what we are providing is, we are providing the mobile devices which users around the world possess, and we are providing you a feature or a platform where you can collect anything from it. You want to allow them to process some data on their mobile. You don't want to get some big computer or something. So while the mobile is on charging, you can allow your mobile to do some computation and send it. Basically, you're saving money.
imagine there are you need to set up a cluster of accelerometers around the whole globe. Then you will need to actually set up a physical cluster. For example, there is a new mobile which you want to set up a sensor. You can in fact use all of the sensors across the globe just by not installing any. And in the same case, prime number generator, we are the largest prime number calculator. What it means is the biggest cluster available. There are some computation systems done by supercomputers. For example, if you know the topmost, highest supercomputer, which is having only 32,000 processors, which is very lesser. But when you compare 1 billion mobile devices, let's say 1% of it, I have 1 crore devices. Let's say 10% of them are